Have you ever seen the first photo taken from space? Probably not, because it is not nearly as famous as it should be. This image was taken in October of 1946, but it wasn't published until 4 years later in 1950. It's one of a series of images taken by the V2 number 13 suborbital spaceflight, 65 miles above the surface of the Earth. The image shows the curvature of the Earth and is one of the first photographs ever captured that shows this shape. Although the first photo to ever show the curvature of the Earth was taken a decade earlier in 1934 using a specially built balloon. This first space photo was technically taken on an American spaceflight, but it wasn't American technology that made it possible. After World War II, the US Army confiscated dozens of German V2 rockets and kitted a few of them out with scientific instruments used for studying the atmosphere. In fact, the first man-made object ever to reach space was also a German V2 rocket, 2 years prior in 1944. Of course, there was no wireless transmission of images back then, so in order to get this image, they had to retrieve the camera off of the missile after it fell back to Earth. Probably a lot of work for a black and white image captured on 35mm film, but worth it to see the Earth's surface from space for the first time. It wasn't until 1957, a full decade later, that a human-made object would actually reach orbit for the first time, kicking off a new era of spaceflight and, of course, space photography.